Hello friends, in this video I'll explain two important settings used in your auto trading system. First, profit trail start, and second, profit cut percent. These settings are designed to help your trades lock in profits automatically when you're already in profit, and importantly, to avoid giving those profits back to the market. Let's understand this step by step, in simple language. So what exactly is profit trail start? Think of it as the specific profit amount where your system begins to actively watch your highest recorded profit. For example, let's say you set profit trail start to $10. When your open trades reach $10 in profit, the system will start its monitoring. Before it hits $10, the system doesn't take any special action. But once your total floating profit climbs above $10, the system starts to remember the highest profit level it achieves from that point onward. And this remembered peak is what we call highest profit. Alright, let's look closer at highest profit. Imagine this scenario. You're in $10 profit, and because you've crossed your profit trail start point, the system is now tracking. Now, if your profit goes up to $20, the system updates its highest profit record to $20. Then, if profit climbs further to $30, highest profit becomes $30, and if it reaches $40, highest profit is now $40. The key thing to remember is that highest profit only ever increases if your current profit makes a new high. Next up, profit cut percent. Now this is where things get really smart. Profit cut percent is a setting that tells the system, if my current profit drops below a certain percentage of the recorded highest profit, then close all open trades and secure whatever profit remains. Let me give you an example. Suppose you set profit cut percent to 70%. This tells the system, close the trades if the profit drops below 70% of the highest profit. So if your highest profit was $40, well, 70% of $40 is $28. This means if your profit drops to $28, or even lower, the system will automatically close all trades and lock in that $28 profit for you. So how do profit trail start and profit cut percent work together? Let's walk through a complete scenario. Imagine your profit trail start is set at $10 and your profit cut percent is 70%. First, your trades reach $10 in profit. Great. Tracking starts. Then, your profit continues to climb all the way up to $50. So your highest profit is now recorded as $50. Now the system calculates 70% of that $50, which is $35. This $35 becomes your current profit protection level. If your floating profit were to drop from $50 down to $35 or less, the system would then automatically close all trades to protect that $35 profit. But what if the profit goes even higher, say to $60 or $70? Well, as your profit climbs, the highest profit record also increases. And crucially, your profit protection level, that 70% cutoff, also recalculates and moves up with it. Essentially, it's like having a smart, adaptive trailing stop for your total profit. So why are these settings so useful? There are some key benefits. First, they help you protect your hard-earned profits. Second, you don't need to be glued to your charts all the time, wondering when to take profit. And third, the system works to secure your money automatically, based on the rules you've set. Let's do a very simple summary to make sure it's all crystal clear. Think of profit trail start as the answer to, when should the system start actively protecting my profit? And profit cut percent answers, when should the system close my trades if profit begins to fall from its peak? And remember, the higher your profit goes, the higher your automatic protection level also becomes. I hope this explanation was easy to understand, and that you now have a clear picture of how these two important settings work. If you still have any questions at all, please feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.